Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about bedroom designs ideas. Whether you are moving into a new apartment or just looking to separate up your correct space, I have got you covered. In this video, I am going to share some of my favorite bedroom design tips and ideas that are sure to inspire you. So let's get started. Choose a color scheme. The first step is to designing your bedroom is choosing a color scheme. You want to select colors that make you feel calm and relaxed. Since the bedroom is a place for rest and relaxation, some popular color schemes include gold, brassy, soft gray, and natural grays. Once you select your color scheme, you can begin to incorporate into your bedroom bedding, curtains, and decor. Maximize your space. If you have a small bedroom, it's important to make the most of your space. I requested all of you to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home in habitants, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. One way to do this is by selecting furniture that is multifunctional, such as a bed with built-in storage or a nightstand that doubles and this. You can also use vertical space by adding shelves or hanging storage solution. Add personal touches. Your bedroom should be a reflection of your personality and style. One way to do personal touches by incorporating by artwork or photograph that special meaning to you. You can also decorative pillows, throws or works that showcase your furniture, favorite colors and patterns. Layer lighting. Lighting is an important element in any bedroom designs. In addition to our overhead lighting, such as also incorporate task lighting such as reading lamps or bedside table lamps. You can also add ambience with candles. Thanks for watching.